Do this. I can do this. I can go and see The Hobbit. The Hobbit.
I've got a railway ticket now.
Yeah.
I've got a railway ticket. I need to renew my railway.
And you'll be so do I. Mine's up in February.
Honestly.
Is it? Tell me about that.
You know, when I got that card, I thought, oh my god, I'm gonna get like loads of money.
Tell me
But you have
about
to
it.
use the card after 10 fucking PM. And I wanted to use it at 8 AM. Wait, 10 AM, not 10 PM. And I wanted to use it at like
Come and partake.
8,
You
10
have 2
AM.
hours to use your
And he
card.
was like, no, you can't use this card for another 2 hours. And I was like,
Was he Irish?
no, it wasn't, it was Welsh.
2 hours.
And I was like, but I really need the money off. And he was like, I don't fucking care. And I was like, but I care. I need money. Are you filming?
Yeah, that's
Stop it!
we have to have people out. No, I hate to be horrible, but
I hate to be horrible, but I think I want to see my fucking toothbrush.
to be horrible, but
Is it fucking video, not a photo? Where am I from? I'm lost.
right, let's go. It's
Really lost.
what I meant was I'd be
Really lost.
obviously.